Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. Ever wondered when to buy and sell your crypto? Well, today we'll be looking at some key levels to buy and sell your Dogecoin. In this video, we'll cover a unique opportunity where to trade your Dogecoin. We'll look what Dogecoin is all about, and we'll get to those key levels you have to keep in mind. The calculations is my own calculations using the stock to flow as an indication. The stock to flow is a unique indicator for Bitcoin, showing the possibilities of prices Bitcoin might reach. Now, I've done my own calculations of this to see where coins might go. We've seen in the past when Bitcoin pumps, some coins follow. When Bitcoin dumps, some coins dumps along. So trading Dogecoin. Have a look at Bitscap, an all-in-one trading automation platform for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin. Base crypto trading bots, smart algorithmic orders, portfolio and demo trading. Everything you need to easily manage your assets within one interface like Dogecoin. The link will be down in the description. Crypto trading bot for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Set automated trading bots on Binance, Bitfinex, Kraken, and over 25 other cryptocurrencies. The unique feature about Bitscap is the fact that it's using API keys to connect to exchanges, so you stay in control of all your funds. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer digital currency favored by the Shiba Inus worldwide. Choose your wallet. You have to sync with the blockchain to use Dogecoin. Multi-Doge is a light wallet. It syncs with a blockchain by skimming through the blockchain, providing fast sync times. Dogecoin Core, on the other hand, is a full wallet. It syncs by downloading it, providing a solid working Dogecoin wallet. And as you can see, these two wallets are all on the dogecoin.com page. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer digital currency favored by Shiba Inus worldwide. They have a video on their page showing what Dogecoin is all about. I can't play it here due to the fact that it's another YouTube video. The fun and friendly internet currency. Dogecoin sets itself apart from other digital currencies with an amazing, vibrant community made up of friendly folks just like you. What's with Dogecoin and the dog? Doge is our fun, friendly mascot. The Shiba Inu is a Japanese breed of dog that was popularized as an online meme and represents Dogecoin. Looking at CoinGecko, we can see that Dogecoin is currently in the 12th ranked position with a 24-hour volume of $1.4 billion at the time of this recording, sitting on a market cap of $19 billion. Just need that little push and Dogecoin can go over the $20 billion mark yet again. Standing on just under 15 cents a coin at the time of making this recording. The circulating supply, 132 billion tokens. Looking at their all-time stats on CoinGecko, we can see Dogecoin has been down in the dumps for a very long time, and it suddenly got a course or a tweet or two, and it rocketed. We've seen an all-time high of 73 cents on the 8th of May 2021, 11 months ago. That's a 5x from its current price. All-time low, it's been very low, but it has gained massive momentum since then. Now let's get to the key levels for Dogecoin. And a lot of these levels has been hit before and has gone beyond it. Because the calculations has been done of the current price, the yellow line. Looking at key sell opportunities, 74 cents, which will be a new all-time high, 61 cents, 42 cents, 37 cents, 28 cents, 22 cents, and 18 cents. These levels is key opportunities to trade Dogecoin in between. Looking at key buy opportunities, 13.5 cents, 12 cents, 11 cents, 9 cents, 8 cents, 7 cents, and 5 cents. I'll have buy orders down below at 5 cents if we do see a flash drop or it goes back down there. Hitting those low buy orders and the market corrects is massive profits. Leave me your thoughts and concerns down below in the comments and let me know what's your price prediction for Dogecoin. Have a great one. Enjoy.